Well, some other news tonight. Houston area researchers are helping with the development of COVID vaccines for children. Fox 26's Natalie Hee is live tonight with where this stands. And Natalie, I know you also spoke to a mom whose child is involved in these trials.
Yeah, that's right, Jonathan. Good evening. So that clinical trial right now is in phase 3 and is in the process of recruiting more kids to participate. As for that mother, she tells me she's breathing a sigh of relief that her son is protected as he heads back to school this week.
I just have a lot more peace of mind. Of course, I'm nervous.
Ruth Lopez feels a little more at ease than most parents as her 9-year-old son, Marcelo, went back to school at HISD Monday. The fourth grader is one of thousands of kids across the U.S. now participating in Moderna's pediatric COVID vaccine trial. In May, Marcelo received his first dose at Baylor College of Medicine.
Redness around on his arm. Remember, your arm was a little swollen. On the site of the vaccine, and then he had like a red rash that appears in some cases, and that went away on its own. Marcelo has asthma, and so we were definitely growing concerned as we were reading about risk factors of what could lead to more adverse reactions.
Ruth says since Marcelo participated in phase 2 of the trial, which looks at dosages for various kid age groups, he received the actual vaccine.
We want to make sure that this is safe. We want to make sure it's effective.
According to Baylor clinician scientist Dr. Aaron Nicholson, the Moderna trial is now in phase 3, which includes randomized testing where some kids get a placebo, not the actual shot. Currently, researchers are recruiting more than 13,000 children across the U.S. to participate.
We always like to say in pediatrics, children are not little adults. They react differently. Their bodies are different. Their physiology is different. So we can't just say, all right, I'm half in the dose, go, and this is fine. And so we do have to be very diligent about how we look at safety.
Dr. Nicholson says the goal is to get a COVID vaccine for kids 12 and under by the end of the year. Now, both Pfizer and Moderna have previously said that they hope to share their results sometime in September or October. And depending on what those say, they will then apply for emergency authorization use sometime after that. Natalie Hee reporting, Fox 26 News.